morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Dalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini ma'am. In the previous video, I have told you we have studied about the Jhalkari. Now, the concluding part, you will see how the war ended. We have already studied that during the days and nights that followed, the fighting continued between the Britishers and Rani Lakshmibai's army. Though the Indian troops were full of daring, they could not withstand the British attacks. The Indian troops were very much daring, they were full of boldness, but they could not withstand with the British attacks. The enemy fought their way steadily until they were outside the palace. Still, when the enemies were outside the palace, the Indian army fought. 3 more terrible days of fighting followed. Now the advisors of the queen, they advised her to leave the palace in an unrecognized way. So she dressed up. Firstly, she denied for that. Then she dressed up in such a way, and having a dagger in her hand and 2 revolvers with an armor, she fled away through the hillside from one of the gates. Jhalkari dressed up in Rani Lakshmibai's clothes so that the British army could not recognize her, and by thinking that she is Rani Lakshmibai, they followed her and they led her to their commander. They surrounded her, Jhalkari, thinking that she was Rani Lakshmibai, and they led her to the commander. Now, the commander looked at the captive closely, but he was not sure at all that she was the queen. Commander, he saw her, but she was not sure. Bring Dulaji. Dulaji, children, was the person who was bribed, who took the money from the Britishers and did the bribery, and he was a betrayer. Bring Dulaji. He ordered his soldier. Dulaji will know. When Jhalkari saw Dulaji, her eyes blazed with anger and she shouted, "You traitor! You coward! You shameless betrayer of your people!" Jhalkari immediately recognized Dulaji and she shouted, "Traitor! One who is betraying a person who helps the enemy." The Englishman asked Dulaji, "Is this the Rani Lakshmibai?" "It is not," answered Dulaji. "Do you think it is so easy to capture the Rani?" Now when the Englishman asked Dulaji, "She is Rani or not?" he said, "No, she is not Rani, and it is not easy to capture the Rani." The commander was furious that they had been tricked. Now the commanders thought that now they are tricked. He knew that if Jhalkari was allowed to go free, she would be dangerous, so she has to be sentenced to death by hanging. Now the commander thought that if Jhalkari is set free, she will be dangerous to the people, so she should be hanged. "I am not afraid of dying," Jhalkari answered proudly. Jhalkari said, "I am not afraid of dying." As they led her to death, she shouted out to the British, "Beware, you will never conquer us. We will rise again and fight back until we won our freedom." Jhalkari, when she was being hanged, she shouted and said, "We will rise again and fight back until when we will win." "Silence," they shouted, but she would not be silenced. The commander shouted to be silent, but she was not silent. As the rope tightened around her neck, now this rope is tightening around her neck, she cried out, "Long live India, long live Lakshmibai, long live freedom." Hope that you have understood this chapter, and do go through this chapter and do write the difficult words in your copies. And thanks for watching this video, children. Have a good day. Goodbye.